Give me my Grom. Hold on. Let me get this thing to focus. Come on. Do your thing. Alright, so what's in that truck?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm about to find out. What's going on?
What do you think it is? Just a bunch of paperweights? Probably.
Right there, top right.
Just trying to get a zoom on it.
It says Forgiato.
4G.
Who's pulling up? Oh! Look who's pulling up for some gears.
We got the drag back. Is that Eriks? Yeah. Hey!
Wow. Ooh, that bitch look good. Ooh! My baby girl pulling up. Hey! Guess who came in?
Forgiato, baby.
Yes, sir. Motherfucking nasty. Set it right here. I don't think I've ever been this happy. What's in the box? Not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie.
We get a full unboxing, boy. Just start opening it. Oh man, oh man.
Tell you what, today's a great day to be an American.
Yes, sir.
Alright, boys. Hold on.
Yeah.
Second footage.
You gotta start filming on your phone, boy.
Got him with me, don't move it, I be loaded.
Oh,
They will be very much I make a move on you.
best day of my life.
Ain't gotta wait to make them moves, I be loaded. Why you watching drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same nigga in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sporty, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, I got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag, nigga, like I'm transporting.
Ain't nobody, I'm just gonna tell you right now, ain't nobody with it. Like, that's so nasty.
Got Cantu Racing engraved on the side.
Best wheels money can buy. Damn, them bitches are nasty. Let's go. We got SEMA to make, baby. Oh, dude. That's so nasty.
They don't make a floater?
I got floaters on the way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep those for probably like a ashtray for Thomas or something.
Don't drop it.
Hey, I'm gonna have to grab that bitch one time. Set down like that. Oh, damn. That's for a single cab.
Dude, that's nasty. That'll be the thumbnail right there.
Oh, shit.
Jesus, man.
That's so rad, dude.
They're good.
They're way wider than like 16, like geez Louise. That's like a full, like, that's drag plate, man.
The only good thing is fucking, I'm sure you're not
Jesus, man. Here's the iPhone 11 for comparison.
I'm not gonna
These
drive
things
it.
are like-
I'm gonna drive it everywhere.
Yeah. That's the good part. Because
God.
I was gonna do the 16 whites, and I was like, no, fuck
Here's
this.
the
They told me,
specs
like,
right
nah,
there.
just do 14 whites. He's like, cause if you're gonna game that shit, he's like, you're fucking, fuck.
Like, that's nasty. Like, just,
I'm surprised they don't put,
just kiss it, bro. You got
they're like a thing they
Smooch
do
on
the
it.
cap. I think good though.
Oh, boy, I ain't been this fucking
Where your
happy
tires
in a
at though,
minute,
dog?
I'm waiting on them. They're on the way. I'm waiting on the tires, the Dana 60. I got the 9-inch already. I gotta send my front Dana 60 off to Duke. I want to say he's like up north or something like that. But he's doing my hydraulic steering. It's gonna be all hydraulic steering. So when I go up and down with the bags, the steering wheel won't move like everybody's.
Right.
So I'm doing that.
It's probably safer anyways.
Yeah, I got a 6L80 going in it with a billet transfer case from racing in the dirt for mud racing.
You're gonna need it, boy.
Yeah, so it's gonna have a
It's
it's gonna have a 6-speed automatic in it, and then said it's gonna have the 2 blowers, fully built motor, converter. I mean, it's gonna have everything. It's gonna make over 1,000
That's badass.
for a truck, just a show truck. Like, I'll pull that bitch out, blip it a couple times, and let them know what's up in full drive.
You might as well just fucking light it up on the street.
Hey, I'm doing the same Holly dash you did and everything. I'm gonna do the same Holly dash and everything. Yeah,
boy.
yes, sir. I gotta keep up with my boy Eric.
Nah, fine.
He already brought his truck back in for gears.
Broke baller right here, bro. Broke baller.
Gears. He wants a 4L80 now, and he wants 20 pounds of boost.
Soon.
20.
Yeah, soon.
20 pounds.
We just finished his Cobra.
Yeah, we literally just got that thing finished.
Very soon. And we still gotta do the high ramp. All that shit, bro. It'll take time, but it'll be there.
It'll take about a week for him.
Shit, boy.
I mean, when I was growing up, I come from a poor family, so something like this, like to afford some wheels like this and put them on a show truck, like it's a big come up for me.
You gotta bust ass.
You gotta bust ass. Like, this shit doesn't just come for free. My dad never gave me anything. He always made me work for everything. So, I mean, my mom and dad, they were always on my ass. So, it pays off. I wouldn't have any of this if I didn't have my parents and good friends and customers that became friends like Eric.
Pretty much all I do is this. Orlando here.
My
Get a
homie.
wallet, full cash. Here you go, doc.
Look at that, right there. And it's fucking, look at that. Look at that. Like,
LV
You know what
wallet.
That's hilarious.
So, give the fans a date. When do you think the single cab's gonna be ready?
well, hopefully like 2 months.
In 2
It
months.
made me go broke, but I mean, yeah. Nah, I would say probably like, it all depends because like the coronavirus pushed everything back. My buddy over there at Rimshaw Off-Road and everything, he's doing my whole custom chassis, lift, everything. He got pushed back because of the whole coronavirus. So right now he's kind of in the process of building a concrete pad to make sure all my axles and everything's level and everything. Because his shop's full. So this dude's literally going out of his way, building a pad, so that way he can put my truck on there and start on it. And I mean, Dustin from Forgiato is the one who hooked me up with the wheels. He's the one who got me taken care of. Huge shout out, huge thank you for him. He's been on my ass about getting that little single cab done. So I'm pushing everybody. I got the wheels ready, the tires are on the way. The motor's already done. I got a bunch of stuff with powder coat. And then, well, shit, now I gotta order the Holly dash, the fuel system. I'm gonna make a whole custom fuel system in-house. Training's already done. I mean, dude, there's so much that's gonna go into this truck. Like, literally everything is brand new. Shelby's gonna do the interior for me. She's out of San Antonio. I mean, everything's gonna be brand new, all new harnesses. I mean, it's a whole new truck. It's gonna be a whole new ground up, brand new, fresh build. So, I mean, there isn't a single nut and bolt that I'm reusing from anything else. The whole motor's brand new, the heads are brand new, rods, pistons, crank. Both superchargers are actually brand new. I got M122 blowers from Shelby GT500s. I'll have 2 of those on. Irwin at Blacksmith's making me the intake and everything to match. So yeah, it's gonna be some gnarly shit. Like, this will be the nastiest single cab in the world.
I like that purple though.
The illusion purple pops, right?
Oh yeah.
This isn't
Like,
as dark as mine.
Yeah, it's not dark.
It's not as dark as mine.
But it's not super light.
But it's not super light, and it's
And
because of
shine
the
on
polish.
It looks like if it was fucking polished.
Yeah,
So it looks good.
it looks like a chrome purple.
Yeah. I like it.
4G, boy.
I'm cheesing like you. I'm geeking out, dog. This is wild. I've been waiting for these for a long time.
Well, looky. Got you back doing a detail on a Termi?
Sir, we do.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah, this thing's gonna look mint once y'all are done.
Oh yeah, for
So Eric brought it on a trailer. As you can see in all the videos, it's been dusty and dirty. But now she's getting a full cleanup. She's gonna look mint after this, boys. Get a little foam cannon action, huh?
sir.
Looking drip, drip.
That was pretty good too.
Dropped her off dirty, now she's leaving clean. Got some Corona, huh?
What's up?
Corona. So we took the diff cover off.
Eriks.
truck. And
Hey, you get the whole thing right now?
all of the
Or
metal
well,
shavings.
or something at the stock range. Lucky they do.
Oh no!
Look at that magnet.
Dude, yeah, that magnet is big.
Customer stated he lightly used this truck. Here's the customer.
What do you gotta say, Eric?
My hurt.
My hurt.
My wallet's hurting. Another one's moving.
Hey, you see the line right here?
Yeah.
I think that's a plane in it, huh?
Oh, that bitch got some blame.
So what all do we need?
You can't get this inside of it.
So we weld it.
Yeah, that's what y'all want, man.
So we weld it. Yeah.
Weld it, boy.
Bring out the
Traction for
cracker box.
days.
Yeah. What I'm saying.
Alright, so Eric, which option did you choose? Are you just gonna send it?
Alright, I think I'm just gonna send it.
Just gonna send it?
He's got 2 races coming up.
Yeah, no, I got called out twice. It has to be ready for those 2 races. That's it. After that, we'll do the 9-inch. That's fine.
Oh, did y'all hear that?
That escalated quickly.
It really did.
Yeah.
Can I get a 90? There's a bear shit in the woods.
I mean, think about it though. It's like the cobra. I broke the IRS. What I do is solve.
Bro, this guy's fucking.
What do you think about this rear end, David?
It held up long enough.
I've seen worse.
You've seen worse?
I've seen worse.
A lot worse. Alright. Man.
All about that tap.
So Isaac finished detailing Erik's Cobra, and y'all, if y'all could feel paint, you'd just like be in awe right now. This paint is super soft and it's literally like a mirror. Like, dude, that's mint. Literally like a mirror.
Sir.
So what'd you do? You clayed it?
Yeah, I clay barred it. Add a little bit of spray wax. Add a little bit of seal and shine, and this paint's looking best it's been ever since I've seen it. Last
Oh
time.
yeah.
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 I
So
don't know when last time it was clean. So.
Eric brought it to us on a trailer. He was going through the 7 Cs. It got super dirty. It's been dirty ever since it's been here. We just haven't had time to detail it. But now that he's here, getting some gears on his little turbo truck that we just finished, Isaac finally had time to come out, detail it.
Yep.
You know, she's looking mint. The specs: VMP Gen 2 blower on a Holley EFI system, strange front end, tubular, built motor, the works. Hasn't been tuned yet, so we don't have any power numbers, but this thing is mint. Oh, and another cool feature about this thing, it has shaved door handles. Do not close a car with shaved door handles without grabbing the key first.
Do not.
Do not do
not
that.
have the keys. You're screwed. It's gross.
So here's a disadvantage to having shaved door handles as well. You have a weird aftermarket key.
Oh shit.
We don't know how to work it. We're gonna have to wait for Orlando or Brandon to come out here to.
You guys, I know how to shoot out. Enrique, stand right here real close.
There you go.
Good camera shot. See if that motherfucker flies.
See, you held the camera. I wasn't standing in front of that. Alright. So she's just a little shell now. So yeah, we decided to put the gears in there and just send it till it falls apart.
2 races, right? That's it.
Oh yeah, just 2 races. It'll hold up.
That shit's so bright I can see my.
What do you think about his wheels? Fancy?
So shiny.
You gotta tell him. So, how do you feel about me buying these wheels?
Different day. It's nothing new.
Whoosh it.
Oh man. So, whose car is this?
This is my boy Manny's car, right here. Favorite Hellcat we've done. Look at him, look at him.
Camera shot.
Camera shot, you know.
So what does that license plate mean? Had 707.
So when he first bought it, you know, he had some small stuff that said it had 707 horsepower is what they claimed. This car we did a while back before we had this shop. We started filming. We did it at the old shop. He's had it ever since, no issues. It's on E85. It's got the 4 fuel system. injectors, pulleys, cold air intake, full exhaust, Corsa Extreme. Made 923, right?
935.
935. Oof.
935.
Oof, I cut him short, but 935 to the wheels on the Dynocom. I mean, I think it was Dynocom. Yeah, Jared was the one that tuned this one. Great tuner, by the way. But Jared was the one that tuned this. Did the wicker built wing, drag radials, all that stuff, and he street drives it all the time. It's a good, reliable car. It's 30, so as y'all see, he does drive it. So, but yeah, it's Gates green belt. It's got the idler on it. The whole works.
Oh yeah.
Would you say it's a good street car?
Yeah, definitely.
It's definitely a good street car.
Oh yeah.
Every day.
Every day.
Yeah, he drives it to and from work and whatnot though.
Deer to bacon.
I convinced him to do bigger injectors and turn it up and everything. And it was only supposed to make like 800. But it makes 935 now. So he's happy.
Oh
Would
yeah.
you say you regretted it? No. There you
No,
go.
yeah,
See?
you don't regret it at all.
I mean, sometimes I tell him, hey, you might as well do it. You're already there.
Yeah.
It pays off. So Erik's doing the same shit right now. His rear end went out. Told him you might as well wait. Get your 9-inch. You're good to go. It's a good grocery getter.
You got auto start?
My kids love it.
Good auto.
Yeah.
You got the close.
Let's get a sound clip right quick. Let me back up, let me back up. Jesus, man. Oh, dude. This thing, we got Erik's truck back on the ground. Got the gears in. Wonder how long it's gonna last for. Any comments?
She's still running like day one when he gave it to him. He's got his new gears on now, so he's ready to rip.
Ready to rip it. Let me get a shot of that turbo right quick. Little on 3 turbo. You gonna do a burnout?
No!
Just a little one, a little baby one.
I'll send it, but no burnout.
Here they come. I missed it. Oh. Light it up. That's how you do it, baby.
That's how you do it, boys.
Never again is that happening again.
Look how grippy it is.
I know, dude. The whole way over here, all we heard was,
Raw shit.
God, the damn we should just fucking do a dig. Oh shit, dude. Never again.
Dude, bro, them tires got hot.
Nigga, dude, when he got down there and he really fucking sent that bitch, like he stabbed it, dude, the truck was just like that.
Yeah.
Fucking all over the road.
You have to do a 60 roll now, boy.
Oof. That bitch is rowdy.
Look at that.
Well, I'm glad that's badass. Now to fucking race those people. Hopefully this weekend.
Hell yeah.
Just-
hey, make some pulls on the way home. Let me know how she does.
Oh no, I'm gonna figure it out.
There's
But
no
not.
boost,
If
there's no
anything,
boost, alright?
homeboy said he'll meet me in San Antonio with the F-150. Race his ass, and hopefully I'm gonna rerun that 5.0. So
Let's
you happy,
go.
bro, man? I'm very happy, bro. Thank you so much. I'll give you a fucking
Let's
hug.
go.
I'll give you a hug too.
That's what we do.
Oh no, I'm so happy.
Hell yeah.
I do not step. Yeah, I pop Molly and I pop checks. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just floating. My dog got gun license.